Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This is February mid-month reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Aries. Okay, first card, okay, two cards I'm not taking. If it is one, I will take, but what are the messages for Aries fire sign? Temperance, Three of Pentacles and Eight of Cups. Five of Swords, Four of Swords and Queen of Wands. Ten of Swords, Two of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. Under the deck, Judgment. You are going to make some major decision in your life regarding your relationship or in any another area of your life, but there is some major decision in February. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Temperance, Three of Pentacles and Eight of Cups. Definitely there is separation between you and your person. Maybe you walked away from your person because there is no collaboration, there is no partnership between both of you. You are waited patiently for your person, but changes are not happening, were not happened. So that's why you walked away. You made the decision because Eight of Cups you walked away, and because you want to stand by yourself, you want to leave behind that doesn't serve you anymore. You are patiently, you want to restore your balance back, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. There is no collaboration, there is no partnership, that's why you walked away. Maybe on and off communication and no commitment, third party, it could be any reason. So then present, Five of Swords, Four of Swords and Queen of Wands. Yeah, there is something, they hurt you in past because Five of Swords, backstabbing, cheated on you, lied to you. You fed up with that energy, that's why you want to restore your balance, you want to be very calm, that's why you are doing right now present Four of Swords energy, you are doing meditation, healing, you want healing, you want to go through some meditation process to heal yourself, then you overcome this energy, then you will become like this Aries, you stand by your power. See, it's your card fire sign. Then you are very grounded, you are no more dependent on anyone. Yeah. Then future, Ten of Swords, Two of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. I think you decided to move on from this person. Still somewhere in your want this person back, you get memories, still you may be juggling between things. One part of you want this person back, but another part, no, I don't want. That type of energy juggling is going between things. Maybe head over heart situation, your heart wants that person and your head don't want. That type of juggling, maybe you are at some confusion state, but you stand by your power. You are not emotionally confused right now, you are thinking about what to do, what not to do, that type of energy. And Ace of Pentacles, there is stability and Aces, new beginning is coming in your life. Maybe it could be new person or could be past person, something new start in your life. And you are more concentrating on your career, you are concentrating to achieving financial stability. Ace of Pentacles, yeah, because Queen of Wands with Ace of Pentacles, you are concentrating on your career, but I am seeing some new beginnings. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you, then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Yeah, the Star under the deck. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, but Aquarius or Sagittarius especially, they're still hoping for new beginnings with you or second chance with you. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Aries. Two cards. Yeah, King of Cups, Emperor, Five of Wands. There is lot of drama is going between you and your person right now. Still going between you and your person. King of Cups and Emperor. Yeah, they have emotions under the Case of Pentacles. New beginnings. They really want to offer new beginnings. And they want to be with you forever. Committed, long-term committed relationship. They want to marry you. Because two aces, new beginnings. But there are some ego problems because your person maybe have ego to express their feelings, to make first move towards you. That type of energy what I'm getting here. But they have emotions for you. King of Cups, they really want to offer this cup of love to you. So let's see their actions. Will they take action towards you first? Aries. Who? Lot of cards but one card. Ten of Pentacles. Stability. Four of Wands. Wow. Ace of Swords. Yeah. Princess of Swords under the deck. They're spying on you, stalking on your social media. They're thinking about how to approach. Yeah, they will make a move towards you. They will communicate with you or they will message you because Ace of Swords, truth coming out, communication, brand new beginnings. Four of Wands, you both could be twin flames. For some, you both could be soulmates also. And Ten of Pentacles, they really want to offer stability to this connection and they want celebration and happy life with you. Yeah, they will make a move towards you. Ace of Swords, communication. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. A lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, they are heartbroken and Ace of Wands. There is a lot of passion between both of you and your person is very passionate about you. They really want brand new beginnings with you and they are heartbroken without you. Their love towards you is overflowing. Ace of Cups. Yeah, there is love and you are going to make some major decision. I already told you. Aries, they're coming back. Communication is coming, but it's up to you. You are also stuck on your person. You are also feeling stuck because you are in a Ten of Swords energy. Sometimes you are getting a lot of thoughts about your person and feeling stuck. But you will overcome that energy. And Magician. Yeah. And Hierophant. Maybe you both are very financially stable person. You both are very powerful. And commitment. Definitely you both, if they are coming back, definitely there is commitment is coming. You also want commitment from your person, long-term commitment, marriage. So yeah, I think you both are very powerful. You both are very abundant because Nine of Pentacles energy. Maybe you both are right now concentrating on your career also, but you both have mutual feelings each other and they're coming back. They really want to offer love. They're heartbroken. They're missing you so much. They hurt you in past but now wanting you back. They want to be with you forever, what I'm getting here, because long-term commitment. So let's see your overall energy. Aries. Tower. Yeah, you're also missing them and undergoing some tower moment. Yeah, they're coming back, but very slow-moving energy. They're also making some decisions. And Queen of Cups. I think it's you are going to make some major decision in this regarding this connection. Maybe it's up to you. They're coming back to accept or reject, but you have emotions for this person. Yeah, you both have, I think this love is mutual, what I'm getting here, because King of Cups and Queen of Cups. So let's see your person overall energy. Aries. Six of Wands. They want success. Okay. Six of Swords. They want to fix the things between both of you. For some, it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. One person is walked away in this connection. Eight of Cups. Yeah, they're still hoping new beginnings with you. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection, but this time your person want to offer. Yeah, they're coming back. Slowly but surely. So let's see some message for you from Moon Oracle deck. It's time to release negativity, especially when full moon in Scorpio. So if you are having any negative thoughts, if you are thinking about someone or something about negatively, so this is the message from universe. It's time to release negativity. Okay, so this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.